In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Grammarly. Whether you're working on a document in Google Docs or directly within your Grammarly account, these straightforward steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, let's start with Google Docs. Imagine you have a document open and you would like to change the Grammarly language settings while you're editing. To do this, look at the upper right corner of your Google Docs interface where you'll find the Grammarly icon. It's typically denoted by a small circular G. Once you click on it, a menu will pop up showing various Grammarly options. Within this menu, you'll notice a gear icon which signifies the settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This action will take you further into Grammarly's settings options. From there, you'll need to scroll down the menu until you come across the section labelled I write in. This section contains the language settings. Here, click on the current language option. A drop-down menu will appear allowing you to select a different language preference. If you're looking to switch to British English, for example, simply choose British English from the list. This way, Grammarly will tailor its suggestions and corrections to the conventions used in British English. Now let's shift our focus to changing the language directly within your Grammarly account settings. This method is particularly useful for those wanting to make more comprehensive or permanent changes to their language preferences. Start by logging into your Grammarly account. Once you're inside, navigate to the All Settings option, which can usually be found under your account information. Click on Writing, and you will see further options related to writing preferences. Among these options, you will find Language Settings. Click on it to proceed. Now you have the option to set your primary language. If your desired language setting is British English, proceed to select it as your primary language. To ensure Grammarly understands your choice, confirm by setting the dialect to British English as well. This ensures that all corrections and suggestions provided by Grammarly adhere to the nuances of British English conventions. After setting your preferences, go back to the main settings and click on the language settings once more, just to ensure everything is saved correctly. This additional step serves as a double check to confirm the changes have taken effect. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully changed the language settings in Grammarly to better match your writing needs. Whether you're using it directly within a document or managing it through your account settings, these configurations help ensure your writing reflects the language style you prefer. Thank you for